create an experience on your walk that you look forward to. Maybe a tree that you check to see how the leaves are growing, or if they've turned color, or if the one branch is still the same. I check the street dogs that are not mine to see if they're still there and wagging their tails when I come out. Like, I look forward to it every day. So that's the walking part. So in summary, if you make sure you're comfortable, drink some water, take some with you if you have to, keep it doable, start with what you can do, and create an experience on your walk that you look forward to. Okay, now, once you've got out the door and you're on your walk, now you've got incredible opportunity. Pay attention to any difficulty or discomfort that you have, and that's going to help you guide your exercise program. For example, you might notice that you have difficulty turning your head. Maybe you can't turn your head to the side. Maybe you can't look up at the sky. You might notice some things, or maybe your hips feel a little tight. So if you notice these things, then practice neck range of motion exercises while you're at home sitting in a chair if it's a neck problem, or if it's a hip or knee problem, you might want to stand up, hold on to something, and practice bending your knee.